जय श्री कृष्ण। आप सभी लोगों को जन्माष्टमी की बहुत बहुत मंगलमय शुभकामनाएं, बधाई। Lord Krishna, the teacher, taught us many lessons in our life. By seeing his life, we can learn a lot and we can make our life happy. How? Lord Krishna expressed numerous things which can transform our life. The teachings we can learn from Lord Krishna. The first and the foremost thing I would like to tell: never give up. Never give up the hobbies and the passion you have. Never give up your hobbies and passions you have. Because when you play that, your passion or your hobbies, you enjoy a lot. Krishna used to play flute, and the musical, melodious songs attracted everyone. And he, at the time of difficulties, also enjoyed playing flute, and he kept flute always beside. So always love, enjoy your hobbies and passion for that. Isn't it? It gives you a breath. It gives you a breath, a fresh breath, and a freshness in all difficult times. So please always enjoy your hobby and passion. Never give up. Just enjoy. Be kind-hearted and ready to help. Krishna always helped everyone. All his devotees, gopis, his friends, Sudama, and everyone he helped. So one should help, ready to help, willingness to help. Be kind-hearted and ready to help always. And see the transformation when you help people, and always you will be enjoying that. You should live a selfless and unconditional love, offering muktis to many. Krishna offered muktis to many of his devotees. Divine love. Always spread love, unconditional love in life. You should be selfless. And when you do that, you will enjoy the place you are living, with the people surrounded with you, and every human being or a creature in the world will love you when you give unconditional love. So you should give unconditional love. Live always in present moment. Krishna did the same. We should live in the present moment, even in the challenging time. Even in the challenging time, or the circumstances which are adverse, we should live in present. Stop worrying. Stop worrying. And don't worry about the future. Just enjoy the present. Face the present and move ahead. And be always mindful. Be always mindful. So just live in present and enjoy the life as Krishna did. Stay humble. If you are humble, although Krishna was Lord, a creator of the world, of the universe, he always respected his elders and show respect towards everyone. So one should always show respect to everyone and stay humble. If we are humble, then we'll enjoy the life like anything, as Lord Krishna did. He always used to smile. Just visualize Krishna and you will always see Krishna smiling. If you smile, anybody smiles, all the worries will go away and the life will be smooth as Krishna's was. In all adverse status, live a life of perpetual bliss. Live a life of a perpetual bliss, and you will just go on smiling, and the smile can create an atmosphere which everybody will love to you, like Lord Krishna. Happiness comes from within. Happiness comes from within. Your circumstances should not affect. Your circumstances should not affect or define you. The circumstances should not define you. You should remain as you are. Just smile and enjoy like Lord Krishna generosity. Sudama was the friend of Lord Krishna. He offered just a small rice to Krishna, and Krishna accepted that gift with love and joy. Krishna accepted that gift with love and joy. In return, Sudama was given with abundance in his home, precious jewelry and love. And then the life changed for Sudama and his family. Be generous and be always generous. Krishna always performed the duty, and we should also perform all our duties. And whenever we perform our duties, we should be happy to perform. Whenever we are happy to perform anything, our life will be grateful, enjoyable. So perform all your duties with happiness. Lord Krishna is a universal figure. Although he lived a life with hardship. Although Krishna lived a hardship life, but he performed. Although he lived a life although Krishna lived a life full of adversity, but he performed in the right direction, and then the life was smooth ahead. We should fulfill our obligations, our duties, and perform, and then people will never forget you. Whenever you perform your duty perfectly, people will never forget you. So please perform your duties, your obligations with happiness and joy, and then see, people will love you. So please perform your duty. Don't differentiate between the people. Krishna did not differentiate between the people. He loved gopis. He loved his friends coming from all categories of the society. He loved them all. He was with all common, and he always enjoyed living with them. So please don't differentiate between people. Whenever you don't differentiate between people, you will be vast enough, and everybody will start loving you. Please, if you want to be a successful human being, please don't differentiate between people. Love whichever the creature is on the earth. Please do love. Value your friends. Whenever you value your friends, they will be always standing in all your difficulties, like Krishna. Lord Krishna. One should value the friends. Sudama is the biggest example. Their friendship was true friendship. So please value your friends always. how it was difficult, the birth of Krishna. One should always stand by parents. We should always stand with our parents, our elderly people. Parents sacrifice a lot for children's. Parents sacrifice a lot for the children's. Help them and stand by them in their old age, as Krishna did. So please stand by your parents as Lord Krishna did. Remain calm. Remain calm and composed. Remain calm and composed. Never panic. Never ever panic. Life is all about ups and downs. Life is all about ups and downs. So please don't panic. Remain calm and cool. Krishna also remained calm and cool in all circumstances. So we should also be calm and cool to be successful in life. So please be calm and cool. You should be always aware about the situation around you. As Lord Krishna was aware of all the situation around during the Mahabharata, there was a huge opposition from Kauravas in comparison to the Pandavas. He was observing the circumstances very closely. He was aware about the situation. We should be always be aware of our situation we are surrounded with. Keep presence of mind. Keep presence of mind. Whenever you keep presence of mind, you are aware about your circumstances, you will never ever lose the battle of your life, as Krishna did in Mahabharata, supported Arjun to fight, to stand against their own family members. For what? For dharma. It was a dharma yuddha. We should stand always in dharma yuddha. And whenever you stand in dharma yuddha, Krishna says, we should always stand by the principles. We always should stand by the principles. If whomsoever person stands by the principle of life or anything, obeys the law, he will be always known as a great human being who follows the rule. Although there was things during the course of the battle, there were many twists and turns. Kauravas were not following the rules and they killed Abhimanyu in Chakravyuh. But Krishna never break the rules but bended something, twisted. You should bend something to make success in life, and do not break the rules, but you should think out of the box. You have to think out of the box. Krishna thought the same way, out of the box, following the rules and just bending some. Whenever he always faced adverse situation, unfair situations, but he was strong on his principle, just twisted, he bended something, but following the rules, and he was successful. We should also do the same in our life. Uphold dharma. You should uphold dharma. Do right things. Do right things even if it's challenging. Do right things even if it's challenging. And if you do right things, even though it's challenging, the day you win, you are successful, you will be definitely enjoying everything. It's all about today the Lord Krishna, whatever the teachings we get from Lord Krishna, we should enjoy it. We should follow and make a path of success, just following simple things, which Krishna did. Lord Krishna did. Jai Shri Krishna. Happy Janmashtami. Thank you very much to all of you. आपका दोस्त, आपका मित्र सतीश शर्मा, Satya 999, Peace and Prosperity Coach. Thank you very much once again. Please like, comment, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.